up, everybody? We're on our way to Riggs Brewery in Champaign, Illinois. We're gonna race in the Central Illinois Drone Racers Multigp Regional Qualifiers. This should be a blast. Anthony Coons and Nick White, all those guys at Central Illinois Drone Racers are putting this on. I can believe this is the only regional qualifier in Illinois, in the state. So hopefully I do well enough to qualify for finals, because I believe that's in Chicago. Oh well, we'll see. We'll see you on the track. What's up, guys? We're about to do our heat at the regional qualifiers from Central Illinois Drone Racers. Look at these guys. I'm gonna lose.
Tell me that I'm fucked. My monkey's head won't fit your gigantic